Benefits of good nutrition during cancer treatment. When you're healthy, eating enough food to get the nutrients and calories you need is not usually a problem. Most nutrition guidelines stress eating lots of vegetables, fruits, and whole grain products. But when you're being treated for cancer, these things can be hard to do, especially if you have side effects or just don't feel well. Good nutrition is especially important if you have cancer because both the illness and its treatments can change the way you eat. They can also affect the way your body tolerates certain foods and uses nutrients. Eating well while you're being treated for cancer might help you. One. Feel better. 2. Keep up your strength and energy. 3. Maintain your weight and your body's store of nutrients. 4. Better tolerate treatment-related side effects. 5. Lower your risk of infection. 6. Heal and recover faster. Eating well means eating a variety of foods to get the nutrients your body needs to fight cancer. These nutrients include proteins, fats, carbohydrates, water, vitamins, and minerals. 1. Proteins. We need protein for growth, to repair body tissue, and to keep our immune systems healthy. When your body doesn't get enough protein, it might break down muscle for the fuel it needs. People with cancer often need more protein than usual. After surgery, chemotherapy, or radiation therapy, extra protein is usually needed to heal tissues and help fight infection. Good sources of protein include fish, poultry, lean red meat, eggs, low-fat dairy products, nuts and nut butters, dry beans, peas and lentils, and soy foods. 2. Fats. Fats play an important role in nutrition. Fats and oils serve as a rich source of energy for the body. Choose monounsaturated, such as olive, canola, and peanut oils. And polyunsaturated fats, such as, these are found mainly in safflower, sunflower, corn, and flaxseed oils and seafood, more often than saturated fats or trans fats. Three. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the body's major source of energy. Carbohydrates give the body the fuel it needs for physical activity and proper organ function. The best sources of carbohydrates: fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Other sources of carbohydrates include bread, potatoes, rice, spaghetti, pasta, cereals, corn, peas, and beans. Sweets. Four. Water. Water and liquids or fluids are vital to health. All body cells need water to function. If you don't take in enough fluids, or if you lose fluids through vomiting or diarrhea, you can become dehydrated. Your body doesn't have as much fluid as it should. You may need extra fluids if you're vomiting, have diarrhea, or even if you're just not eating much. 5. Vitamins and minerals. Your body needs vitamins and minerals to help it function properly and use the energy, calories, in food. Six. Antioxidants. Antioxidants include vitamins A, C, and E, selenium and zinc. And some enzymes that absorb and attach to free radicals, destructive molecules, preventing them from attacking normal cells. 7. Phytonutrients. Phytonutrients or phytochemicals are plant compounds like carotenoids, lycopene, resveratrol. And phytosterols that are thought to have health-protecting qualities. They're found in plants such as fruits and vegetables, or things made from plants, like tofu or tea. Thanks for your kind watching. If you like my video then please like, share and subscribe my channel for next helpful tips.